So I've done pretty much every basic quarantine thing you can think of. The whipped coffee, the cooking, the yoga, the pranks. Sorry, mom. All except one. I haven't touched my hair yet, and I was very close to buzzing it all off, but then I decided to grow it out instead. I'm quite sick of it now, so I figured why not do another basic thing and give myself a haircut. So many people quietly do this without filming it, you may say. Well, so many people also won't mess it up like I probably will. So, enjoy this montage of me enjoying this length of my hair for the last time. So everything I'm doing here I learned from this one YouTube video that was the first search result for the terms haircut at home men easy. Apparently you're supposed to section the top of your hair so that the sides and the back remain separate with a horseshoe shaped line running around. Yes, you can go ahead, get the laughs out. This is the moment I was reconsidering the whole thing, but oh well, here goes nothing. I'm taking down the number on the guard, which means shorter hair. I was attempting to get a fade. Now clearly that didn't happen, but we're all on the same page here, and that is I tried, so. And after using multiple mirrors and some hand acrobatics, I was finally done with the back and the sides, and now for the top. It was at this point that I realized I needed mom's help. Honestly, I'm surprised she agreed to help me after the whole neck cracking fiasco, so thanks mom. Beyonce? Or Pooh from K3G? You decide. And there you have it, take an extremely cringy shot of me showing off the final product. Maybe this wasn't a complete failure after all.